Hey friends, how are you? So welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today's video, as you can see, I'm going to be creating this makeup look here. So this is going to be like a full dedicated tutorial on the Brownie palette from Beauty Bay, and this is the Edge of Opulence palette. I also thought, what not a better time to do this as well, because obviously it's coming up to Black Friday, all the sales are now starting, and this palette is on sale on Beauty Bay at the minute. It currently is £15, but I think you can get it for £12 or £13 at the minute. I'm not too sure. So this is the palette here, and the inside is just stunning. Like, man, that's beautiful. I just think it's actually the most beautiful palette. So this actually wasn't my first time using this. I've used a couple of shades before in the past, mixed in with another couple of palettes for a tutorial, but today is just fully dedicated to this palette and this palette only, and this is the makeup look that I created. So of course, if you want to stick around and have a wee chit chat with me and see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Here's a wee side note. See, every time I say just keep on watching, I feel like the biggest dick on this planet. Okay guys, so I'm going to prep my lids. I'm going to be taking the P. Louise base. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to take this shade here. I'm going to be taking this on a P. Louise brush. This palette, as far as I'm aware, is on sale at the minute for Black Friday, so I'll obviously link it down below for you. I actually have a haul coming with everything that I've bought on Beauty Bay with the Black Friday sale. I'm not too sure whether that video will be up before or after it, this tutorial. Maybe before, maybe after, I don't know actually, whatever. But I was actually thinking of getting this palette again, like another one, because I love it so much. Like, I've only used it a couple of times, but I don't know, these shades and these colours just speak to me on a personal level. It's honestly the most beautiful eyeshadow palette. Like, they're so pigmented, they blend so well, they blend really well together as a palette, and they're just amazing. They are so good. If you haven't tried them, you need to, and they do ship worldwide, by the way. So then once I have that pigment built up, I'm just going to go over the edges just to soften them a wee bit. I'm going to change my brush. I'm going to change this to a Morphe M562. I'm going to clean it off because I've been using these two exact brushes for the purple shades as well. And I'm going to go into this lighter green here. Well, it's more like a turquoise colour, I suppose. It's really nice. And then I'm just going to use this shade to blend this out. So the closer I'm getting to like my brow bone, like towards my eyebrow or whatever, I'm starting to go a wee bit more lighter handed, and I just kind of cleaned off my brush there. And I'm going to go into the black in the palette, this black here, and I'm going to put a wee bit of that just within that crease, just kind of darken it up a wee bit. Okay, so now for the purple, I'm going to go into the shade here, Velvet, and I'm also just going to be packing that on just within the crease. My hair is itching my back so much. And then also the Morphe M562. I'm going to take this. What is wrong with me today? Can my mouth please cooperate with my brain? The Flapper shade. Love that. So also just using this Flapper shade to blend out this darker purple. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm now going to go and cut my crease. I'm going to do this off camera just to speed myself up, but I'm going to be taking again the P. Louise eyeshadow base. The shade I'm using is Rumour 01. So that's the crease cut, and I'm now going to go in with one of these wee Beauty Bay liquid eyeshadows, and I'm going to put like a load of this just on the back of my hand. Right, okay, so I've just remembered that I forgot to do something. This is going to seem so weird, but as you can see, I'll zoom you in, I have this liner situation going on. So I wasn't really too sure on how I was actually going to get the purple liner there and stuff. So I'm just going to be taking a wee shadow shield here, and I'm going to be cutting off a wee strip. Do you know, I'm pretty sure there is bound to be an easier way to do this, but using to me, I like to make my life difficult. So I'm just going to take the wee backs off it. So what I done was I just got the strip. Please excuse my fake tan hands, by the way. Once I have foundation and stuff on my face, it will be so like So this is what I done. As I say, I'm sure there is an easier way to do this. But I just don't want any of this liquid shadow or any of the gold to be like on where I'm going to be putting the wing. So I'm just wanting to put this shadow shield on to kind of cancel out that area. Does that make sense? No, it probably doesn't, but this is just how I done it anyway. So I'm going to do it now on camera and look and feel like a twat. And also, while that liquid shadow is still like wet and tacky, I had went in with this shimmer shade here, Champagne. I'm also just going to blend it slightly at the outer corner. Now if I just take that off, whee! So this is from e.l.f. and this is one of their liquid metallic eyeshadows. So I'm going to be taking this wee liquid eyeshadow on a winged liner brush, and I'm going to be pressing this on, well mainly it's stamping it on, kind of like that blank space to kind of create like a wing situation. I really do feel like there was such an easier way to do this, but oh well. So I'm now going to go into the palette and take this nice shimmer purple. Again, I kind of felt like it didn't do anything, or I just kind of struggled to work with it, but I'm just going to copy everything that I'd done on this eye. I think I'm actually going to go in with a purple glitter. I think that'll be quite cute actually. Okay, so now for the glitter. To apply the glitter, I'm going to be taking the Helen E Cosmetics Clear Shine Gel. So it's basically just like a wee clear fixing gel for my glitters. And this is from LA Splash Cosmetics, and it's the Purple Rain glitter. And then I'm just going to stamp that glitter on while that fixed gel is still slightly tacky. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm actually pretty happy with that, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go off camera and do my base makeup. I do apologise, I'm not doing it on camera today, but it's not going to be any different, trust me. And then we will come back and fix the eyes. I'm not happy with the outer corner. I kind of feel like there's a wee bit of patchiness going on. I don't know. And I kind of feel like I'm kind of restricting myself because I haven't got my base done. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go off camera, do my base makeup, and then we will come back and finish off the eyes. We all know I'm not going to do very much in the lash line. So I'm just going to first of all go into, was it Velvet? Yeah. So this darker purple here. And I'm going to be taking this on a Buff and Blend BB14 brush. So I'm just going to be focusing this quite tight to that lower lash line. I'm also going to be taking this shade here on a wee Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Precise Blending Brush, this wee one here. And then my wee lashes are just like wee unbranded lashes. While they're actually getting tacky, I might as well just get started on my lips, sure, why not? The lip liner I'm going to be taking is from Colourpop Brink. Yep, Brink. This really needs to sharpen, but I'm too lazy to go and sharpen it. Do you know, I'm still on the fence about getting lip filler. What even? I think this has been like the third, fourth, maybe fifth year, literally, that I've been on the fence and considering getting lip filler. I think at this point, because I haven't took the plunge to get it yet, I'm kind of like, yeah, I'm clearly never gonna get it, because if I really, really wanted it, I would have got it by now, you know what I mean? And then for my lips, I'm gonna be taking the Soft Matte Lip Cream. Oh, from NYX, did I say NYX? Stockholm is the shade. Oh, do you know what I got in the Black Friday Beauty Bay sale? I got a few of the soft matte lip creams. I did top up in some of my NYX ones, I think. But I got a few from Makeup Revolution, like their soft matte lip creams, just to kind of see what they're like, because I love, like I absolutely love the NYX ones. They're like they're my ride or die. They are my go-to lip product. But I did get some of the ones from Makeup Revolution just to kind of try and see what they're like, because they were also on sale, but they were so much cheaper. I think they were like £1.95 or like £2.95, and I just thought that was so good. I thought it was absolutely amazing, the price. I'm gonna take a wee bit of Cairo. I'll hit this in the center. I'm also gonna take this wee lip gloss from Makeup Revolution, the Pout Bomb lip gloss. I've took the shade off, so I do apologise about that. Oh no, it's on the side as well. Candy. Candy. Oh, has anybody ever seen the movie Candy? It's about two heroin addicts. It's such a good film, but it's so sad. You should watch it. It's so, so good. It has Heath Ledger in it, who's obviously passed away now. And I think it's actually an Australian film, but it is quite good. It's very sad. But anyway guys, this comes to the end of this tutorial. I hope it's all enjoyed. I absolutely love this freaking palette, guys. Honestly, I do. And the fact that it's on sale at the minute, please, please go and pick this up. You will not regret it, honestly. Of course, I will link everything I used down below, just the eyes of course, along with my Instagram. So don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram as well, guys. And I hope that you're all staying safe and well. Please do kindly look after yourselves and each other, and I shall see you in my next video.